Hello, my name is Rebecca Coons, and I'm a school safety specialist with Comal Independent School District. I'm out here at Hawk Stadium at Canyon Lake High School talking to you about some potential safety concerns we have here at the stadium. We are standing at the only point of entry for the bleachers. Because it is the only point of entry, it could cause a safety concern in the event of an evacuation. To address this first issue of safety, Bond 2023 is proposing a home side bleacher replacement with additional entry points, which will allow for easier and more secure evacuation plans. The next issue is capacity. Currently, the home side holds about 2,000 guests. On any given Friday night during football season, and during other events that utilize the field, the stands are at about 2,000 guests or higher, which can lead to additional safety and security concerns. The new bleachers proposed with Bond 2023 will increase seating capacity to meet district standards. Canyon Lake High School was built in 2007 and has not had a major stadium upgrade. The bleacher replacement proposed in Bond 2023 will establish a safer and more secure space for the Canyon Lake community to support the Hawks.